Alright, this is part 9. I gotta make to the last trip of the main mission at the moment. But every time you see a rainbow, fucking black streaks, aka the Death Strand. Which means there's gonna be demons, whatever you want to call it. Oh shit. And I got scanned too. So far the game has been taking me to some sketchy ass areas, that's for sure. But we gotta keep on moving. I got these exosuits in the last episode to help me run better in terrains, holding more stuff. But the only bad thing is you need a battery, or you need to charge it basically, which kind of sucks because I already used it all. I constructed another one, but it works the same as one, I guess. Yeah, it's about the same thing. Nothing but rocks here, but I like the scenery. Like, that looks cool, but you know, it's not a good thing in the game. If you're watching, playing more than me, and you're like, wow. Definitely in harm's way. I knew it couldn't be this simple. All this energy. Alright, so far there's no one near me, but that's never a good thing. I want to put up a ladder, but like, I don't think that's a good idea. I do not like being got. also ran into him. It was not good. Oh, my thing's pretty passive, but the thing is I have so much shit that I'm can't. I can barely see my sensor. The less I carry.
Someone's got cold feet.
Alright, I wasn't really talking because I'm super focused. I don't know if I should go the way I came or go straight ahead because I don't even know how to get into the beginning. Alright, we need to get the fuck out of here. Alright, so my thing is pretty passive right now. I've only seen 2 of those fans. One's like over here. But I don't want my thing to start tweaking and I can't get out of here, dude. You did. You did. Oh, why are you running? Don't be running willy-nilly. Definitely back there, but you never know, dude. Like, they could be up here, they could be corner camping like Call of Duty. Like, bro, you can't take a risk. Like, shit, dude. Baby blessing. Alright, we made it pretty safe. Pretty sounding safe. Now let's get the fudge out of here. For a toolbox. Think about it. I risked my life for a toolbox.
There we go.
I only seen 2 of those little demons in the skies, but like, yeah, like I was saying, you never really know. There's been other parts where like there was more than 5, and I got. You know what I mean? And my shit is never recharged, dude. Like over there, like something's getting something's over there. For sure. Oh, I was about to call me slipping Jimmy. Alright. That's where we gotta go. For a toolbox, like, bro, almost died. I don't necessarily almost died, but like, hey, the less the better. West, oh, plate, nice.
Scanning bridges ID. Fragile Express ID verified. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified.
I remember like the last episode, it was like, it doesn't rain here. Thunderstorm, whales, people floating. It was just nonsense. And we moving little by little. I got better join the team. I'd be pissed. For your damn toolbox.
Delivering cargo.
What? You kidding me? You actually went into that hellhole? You don't know what this means to me. Whole lot of memories in these old tools. The kind of stuff you can't replace with a chiral printer. Thought I was giving you an impossible mission.
See this bullshit?
Yes, now we're talking. Wait till you see the weapons I make with these. Sand bridges. You are incredible. Thank you.
So is he gonna join the team or what? Cause like, I went into a crater for a toolbox for sentimental value. Could've died. Just saying, not bitching, but I'm saying, like, bruh.
Now, to be fair, Fragile and her crew never did me wrong. Could say I owe them even. If they're running with Higgs now, when I mix them, it's bad as him, don't it? It's as if all the motherfucking terrorists are coming together like one big happy family. Might be time for us to do the same. Maybe there's hope for us after all. At least if there's more folks like you in the UCA. Safety in numbers, huh? And the new America to boot. Connect me to the chiral network.
I was about to say, I'll take that toolbox right back. So why it makes you float and all? I have no idea why. That baby's confused as I am. Craftsman has joined the UCA. Whoa, 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 whoa. A bola gun. Eee. There we go. Now we talking.
Right. Now that you're looking out for me, it's only fair that I look out for you. So, as long as you keep me connected, keep on supplying you with my best tools. And together we all might live a little longer. Oh, by the way, check out this beauty I made. It's called a bola gun. Should keep anyone from giving you trouble for a minute. It's non-lethal, of course. I can't promise it won't leave marks, but that's on that. If you think you could use it, take it.
Fuck yeah. Said gun? Duh.
A bola gun, huh? That could come in handy. As is, you can use it to restrict. But swap out those wires with strands spun from your blood, and it might even work on BTs.
Ooh.
Go ahead. Give it a whirl.
See, I got a bliggy on me. You already know. You know me.
Well, you've done your bit. Time for me to do mine.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery.
Let's see what kind of nonsense. Alright, we're gonna deliver this cargo real quick.
Delivering cargo.
More nonsense I gotta carry.
Order assigned.
Excellent work, Sam. You've brought 3 way stations into the fold. The preppers are on the grid and the chiral network is looking better than ever. We're planning to use a regional distro center as our next way station. But that'll have to wait. Got a priority task here. A mess in need of cleaning up. We need you to recover one of Lake Knot City's system servers. They sent it out for repairs and mules hit the transport on the way back. The server contains validation data for a new delivery system we're deploying. Once in place, it will use the chiral network to automate deliveries. To us, it's invaluable. To the mules, it may as well be a toaster. A toaster they'll happily tear apart for the chiral crystals and rare earth metals inside. If we don't act quickly, we could lose that data. So get your ass to the mule's drop site, snatch the server, and bring it back to Lake Knot City. I'm putting the order in myself.
We
Check your
what
cup links for
about?
details.